Lift your head up high, the King of the universe is alive. Open up your eyes, walk in his ways and watch your spirit rise. Wake up in the morning, thank Hashem for the day. Put a smile on your face and walk the Torah way. Do good to your neighbor, help somebody in need. Truth is stronger than gold, it's stronger than greed. Brings us harmony. Don't steal, don't kill, don't lie for a gain. Don't hate, don't cheat, don't bring another pain. Justice, justice, we pursue the right way, helping build a better world day after day. The prophet spoke of kindness, the prophet spoke of peace. When people seek the truth, the fighting starts to cease. Something power makes a king, something wealth makes a crown, but only Hashem reigns above. That's what brings us all around. Dance, dance, dance in the light. Do what's good and do what's right. Joy brings blessing, joy brings sight. Sing to Hashem tonight. We're one family, serving Hashem in unity. Let the whole world see the Torah brings us harmony. Justice, justice shall you pursue. Love what's good and seek what's true. Walk with Hashem, walk in peace, and all our blessings will increase. Hey, hey, sing and rejoice today. The Torah promises peace when we follow His way.